I don't know what we got planned today, nigga. We in the Red Eye Infinity today, man. We about to go. I don't know, bro. Just record, I guess. I gotta record something, nigga. And shout out to that Saratoga, man. Shout out to Ashton Hall, nigga. Put me on, nigga. No cap, no cap. That been not bad for real. I know y'all want to hear some pops and bangs. Let me see if she'll pop a little piece. Niggas did order a little phone mount off TikTok shop, so we gonna do a little review on that thing though. It's supposed to go on like on the sun visor thing. We at the parts store. You probably gonna be looking at me crazy like this nigga walking in with a carburetor, nigga. I just need the right Allen key, nigga. Come on now. We go see if they got it in here. They better have it. They gotta have it, nigga. Oh, O'Reilly Auto Parts. You got some right here, but. What the freak? I don't know if that's the right one. Feel me? I wish they had like individual Allen keys, man. What the freak? Boys, we got the keys. DJ Khaled! I got the keys. Took me a little minute to find the right ones. Oh, dang. Oh, heck. Somebody riding right now. That's why they want me. They got me wanting to ride. You feel me? You feel me? I gotta get out there, bro. But look, it's like a whole nother it's a whole nother carburetor that I switched out. And this one not doing no better than this one, so I don't know. Honestly. Yeah, but he riding. I don't know who that is. He got me on the ride now. Pause. But this carburetor, these carbs suck, bro. It's not. I didn't even buy this one. These both came with the bike. And like, I don't know if the peacock, like the float messed up. I really don't want to take this whole thing apart, but I might have to, bro. Which sucks. But let me see if I can get a start on this thing. I see if I could hear it. She might start up and then cut off. Whoop-de-doo, bro. Bike be tripping. Let's see. Boom. Just air right in the gas line, bro. That's all right. Vlog, this is atrocious. I just put the new carb on, got it tuned and everything. I probably should have filled the gas tank all the way up, bro. Now I gotta walk this thing. Oh my gosh, I was riding hard too, bro. Gotta put a little bit more gas in there. Try to get the idle right. Man, we finna ride a little bit more though. Out of gas. Told me to go back. My stupid self. I'm talking not even the reserve have anything, bro. She's empty. But let's go, man. It's crazy. Bro, creeping behind me? Oh, hell no. Nigga making a U-turn now? Is this nigga good, yo?
The next day.
God dang. Oh, that, yes. I'm trying to see if I can get my GoPro set up. I don't have the head mount. Like, the piece broke off, so I don't know if I can. I'm trying to find a replacement piece or find something, bro. But we got the bike running right. I seen yesterday. I changed the carburetor around because the other one was still, like, not right. And I just fixed the float in there. That's what really was the problem. And then we should be good to go. So we're gonna try to get a little moto vlog in, a little content in today. But we're gonna do what we can do, boys. We're trying to get some content, man. We trying. Yeah, man. Y'all boys stay tuned. And I'm on this old behind GoPro, so it's like I don't know what to say, bro. Yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, bro. I'm over here eating right now. But boys, I cannot find the freaking chest mount, bro. I only can find the head mount. And that requires me to wear no helmet, bro. And we know safety is #1 priority. We got that from Crazy Russian Hacker. If you know, you know.
Safety is #1 priority.
No, for real though. We gotta have a helmet on though, bro. Thank the Lord, boys. A million years later, I found it. But guess what? It still won't work because it has to have the slider freaking like helmet mount thing in it too, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, there has to be a way I can put this. Oh yeah. You know, like put this on there? Bro, I'm finna make something work, bro. I promise you. We about to do something, bro. Hold on. Bro, as if my setup wasn't already freaking atrocious enough, bro. I can't find the connection piece in my microphone, bro. Somebody use freaking earbuds. Hopefully the audio come out okay, bro. But it's Chop. Look at Chop. What you doing? What you doing? You're a bad dog, man. You're a bad girl. Yeah, man. We about to get some riding in, bro. We about to see what we can do, bro. We about to hang out a little bit. This solo ride on some motorboat stuff. You feel me? But bro, I need to get a better camera setup, audio. It's all bad, bro. It's just crazy. Y'all boys stay tuned though. Rate the drip, boys. Rate the drip. Fire. I'm about to get some riding in on. I gotta take a dookie before we go, nigga. Alright, boys, this is what I mean by my setup is atrocious, bro. Hey, bro, what we gotta do, bro. We about to put this on, bro. About to get some content right now. Just a little moto vlog. Nothing too hectic. About to show you how we really slide that thing, you know. I always wanted to ride around the whole neighborhood, bro. I'm talking about when I was young, you only could ride down the street and back in the cul-de-sac. I mean, now I can ride the whole neighborhood, man, you feel me? But, yeah, we about to be outie. I don't know if I'm gonna go to a gas station or not, or if I'm gonna go in my car and fill this gas can up. I don't know what I wanna do. We're gonna figure it out though, boys. Y'all boys stay tuned. Like, I barely got any gas in there though, bro. I can't lie. It should be enough to bang some gears though. You feel me? I don't know who this is outside my house. Oh, I'm gonna have to go to a gas station, man. For real, on some GTA stuff. I'm gonna have to go to the gas station. Finna get some gas real quick, boys. Let's see, we got the GoPro ski on. Stop playing. Let's hurry up now for troll come around. Trying to troll a nigga. Oh man. Let's see what we can get right here, bro. Oh crap. I can't even get my wallet out.
Yeah, big, hey, barely get out.
Oh man, that's surprising. That bitch said approved. Well, I'll be dog. That nigga's broke. For real. Put a little sun in there. We on our GTA stuff, man. We outside a little piece. Yes, sir. That should be good right there. Oh, man. Clerk has a receipt. Oh, my gosh.
Money, bro. I want my two-stroke back, bro. That's what I missed. Shout out to this guy, man. New neighbor. So I can ride that bit real quick. Hey, the clutch, the bite force is way like. new? Bro, what the freak?
Yeah, and I painted this shit myself here in the garage.
Heck yeah. Yo, that thing moving like, that's keeping up with mine, bro. We got to get a race in. I'm serious. It's keeping up with mine, bro. got him.
This is too easy. This is too easy.
Hello, how you doing? How can I help? Can't handle the heat, my friend? Okay, leave it with creepy Uncle Lester.
Alright, let's see if this doesn't go down, bro. Hopefully we can do that. Alright, boys. We're about to do some exploring, boys. I think we're about to take this all the way to the other side. Oh, my tires are not great at all either. I need new freaking tires, boys. Hey, bro, if y'all new here, bro, hit that like, share, subscribe button, bro. Yeah, man, we outside a little bit. I might come back to the water when we come back. My main concern, make sure there's no trains around here. That's what I need to be looking out for. And it looks like there's a freaking gate over there. I'm about to see if we can get through there, though, boys.
got him. We fucking got him.
Is that even legal, bro?
Yes.